Hello and welcome back to Single Malt Lover. If you're new to the channel, my name is Rezwal and I post videos weekly on how to do easy cocktails at home. In this video, I'm going to show you something so special which is well famous in Spain and Portugal. Well, that's the Sangria. This cocktail is based with wine, brandy, triple sec, Sprite, orange juice and not forgetting the fruits. So let's get started. Take your picture, keep it aside. If you don't have a picture, you can use anything that you have at home. And well, you gotta cut the fruits, dice it up really well, and so let's get started now. Take your orange, okay. You can take a pear. You can use any preferred fruits that you have at home, but I'll be using a pear, apple, orange and a lime, or you can use a lemon if you want. Take your lime or a lemon, whichever one you have. Well, that's all the diced fruits that I have cut. So you might be thinking like, why the fruits? So that it infuses along with the wine. Now you take your fruits, add it in the pitcher. If you're doing it instantly, you gotta muddle all the fruits. If you're doing it instantly, if not, you gotta keep it like almost a night in the fridge, and that's where the infusion takes place. Okay, there you go. All the fruits in. So now we have a jar full of diced fruits. Next, you gotta add wine in it. When it comes to wine, you can use any preferred wine that you have at home. If you do have Spanish or Portuguese, that would be one of the best. So I'll be using a Madeira, that would be Portuguese, and I'll be adding the full bottle in the pitcher. So let's go. Just pour it in. There you go. So now let's add the brandy. Again, why the brandy? Brandy just strengthens up the entire cocktail, and you gotta add basically half a cup of brandy according to your preferred taste. Why am I doing it in bulk? Well, this is if you're having a party at home, it's gonna get your party going. It's gonna be amazing. So that's the reason it's in bulk. So your brandy. There you go. You can still add more, but you gotta test it while you do. Triple sec. Again, to give you that kind of a citrusy flavor, orange flavor to it. Now the orange juice to give you the tanginess to the drink. Again, accordingly. Okay, now you got to mix this entire. So you could take your ladle or anything what you have at home or a bar spoon and just give a nice mix. Now you can add some ice if you want to just chill it up. Again, take your bar spoon or a ladle and just give it a nice little stir. So if you're making this drink just for one glass, or if you're making just for yourself, well, you could add your wine, 60 ml of your brandy, 30 ml of your triple sec, and the juice that you have to top it up. You gotta muddle the fruits if you're just doing it like to drink it right away. So you gotta muddle the fruits so it extracts the flavor, infuses again with the wine, and well, there you go with a 1 glass of your sangria. But if you're doing it in bulk, well, this is how it's done. So now I'll be keeping it in the fridge, and I'll see you tomorrow then.
24 hours later.
Well, here we are with a nice infused sangria. So now it's time to enjoy. Take your glass, any preferred glass that you have at home. If you have a wine glass, you could use a wine glass, or Well, in my case, I'll be using a highball. Okay, so before you start, make sure you add some ice. I mean, if you want it chilled. And you could use a ladle or anything that you have at home. Take out the fruits, put it in. There you go. And don't forget to add a Sprite before you drink. Well, Sprite, it just makes the entire cocktail fizzy. So if you want to keep adding more, it's up to you. And cheers, taste your sangria. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Don't forget to drop me a comment. Let me know what you want to see in my next video. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Until then, peace and enjoy.